Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create amazing Roblox GUIs using Figma. Whether you're a Roblox developer, an aspiring designer, or just curious about how those in-game menus and buttons come together, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get started, find inspiration, and customize your own Roblox interface designs, all without having to start completely from scratch. Let's dive right in. So when it comes to designing GUIs for Roblox, you always have the option to create layouts from a blank page. But honestly, that can be pretty time-consuming, especially if you're new to Figma or you're looking for ideas on what looks good and works well. That's why I recommend leveraging the wide variety of templates available online. It's a huge time saver and it gives you a solid foundation to build on. Think of it like starting a new build in a game. You could lay every single brick by hand, but if there's a prefab structure that gets you halfway there, why not use it and then make it your own? First, head over to Figma and find the Templates and Tools section. This is where you'll have access to tons of community-made resources, and it's honestly a goldmine for designers of all skill levels. In the search bar, just type Roblox GUI. You'll notice a bunch of different templates pop up almost immediately. Some might be styled like in-game shop menus, others could be health bars, inventory windows, or even login screens. Take a moment to scroll through and get a feel for what's out there. There are a lot, so don't worry about picking the perfect one right away. Remember, you can always come back and browse the rest later. For now, let's just pick one template to work with. Click on it to open it up in Figma. What you'll see is a pre-built layout with all the frames, buttons, text fields, and other elements ready to go. It might look a bit basic at first, but that's actually a good thing. It makes it easier for you to tweak and customize exactly how you want, without being overwhelmed by too many details right off the bat. If this is your first time, don't be afraid to poke around. Explore how the template is constructed. Figma allows you to click on different layers and components so you can see how each part fits together, kind of like inspecting the different gears inside a watch. Now comes the fun part, customization. This is where you get to put your own spin on things and really make the GUI match your game's style or your personal taste. Try changing up the colors, fonts, button shapes, or even rearranging the layout entirely if you want something unique. Each adjustment you make helps you learn more about how GUIs work, both in Figma and in Roblox itself. Don't worry if it takes a little time or if you make some mistakes, that's all part of the design process. Think of it like building with Lego. Sometimes you try out a few combinations before you find the one that really clicks. And remember, the template is just a starting point. If you get inspired, feel free to add new elements or combine pieces from different templates. There's a lot of creative freedom here, and that's really all there is to it. With these simple steps, finding a template, opening it, and customizing it to fit your vision, you can create a polished, professional-looking Roblox GUI in Figma without having to start from zero. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions about Figma or Roblox GUIs, drop them down in the comments. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials just like this. I'll see you next time.